5 rules men must follow when getting a divorce in Arkansas. My name is Leon Jones Jr. I'm the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. If you're a man watching this video or know a man who is going through the divorce process, please watch until the end to learn how to protect yourself. Divorce is one of the most difficult and emotionally charged experiences in a man's life. Whether you're initiating the divorce or responding to the divorce, the process can feel like a whirlwind of legal jargon, financial uncertainty, and personal upheaval. And while every divorce is unique, if you're going through it in Arkansas, there are a few non-negotiable rules every man must follow and understand. And I'm going to walk you through the 5 essential rules that can help you navigate this process wisely, protect your rights, and ensure you come out stronger legally, emotionally, and financially. So number 1, understand the Arkansas divorce laws. Ignorance is not an excuse. Arkansas has its own set of divorce laws, and it's your responsibility to know the terrain. Unlike many no-fault divorce states, Arkansas requires grounds for divorce. The most common are general indignities, adultery, habitual drunkenness, but Arkansas does allow for a separation-based no-fault divorce. But you have to live separately for at least 18 months without any cohabitation. Arkansas does have a residency requirement. Either you or your spouse must have lived here for at least 60 days before filing. Your case is usually in the circuit court in the county where you reside. You have to file a complaint for divorce, you have to serve your spouse, and the process moves forward with either settlement or court. The lesson here is to know the legal basis of work. Don't walk into court blind. That never ends well. Number 2, don't move out without a strategy. It can backfire. One of the biggest mistakes men make is leaving the marital home prematurely because in Arkansas, possession often influences custody. If you move out and leave your kids with your spouse, the court may view her as the primary caregiver. That can weaken your case with joint or primary custody. Once you're out, you may not be able to re-enter without permission or a court order, especially if there's a protection order in place. Leaving doesn't mean you're off the hook for mortgage, rent, or utilities. In fact, the court could consider your move abandonment. Bottom line here, never leave the marital home without first consulting an attorney and having a strategic reason for leaving. Custody, property division, and even spousal support could hinge on that decision. Number 3, document everything. The court doesn't care what you feel. This is one of the most powerful tools in your toolbox. Documentation, text messages, emails, photos, video. If something shows abuse, threats, drug use, or financial misconduct, save it. Have copies of bank statements, retirement accounts, debts, pay stubs, tax returns. Arkansas is an equitable distribution state, meaning property is divided fairly, not necessarily 50-50, but document. If you're fighting for custody or visitation, keep track of your time with your kids, your efforts to communicate with your kids, and any obstacles your spouse may create. Remember, the judge doesn't know you. What they see is what you can prove. Feelings don't win court battles, evidence does. Number 4, prioritize your kids, always. In Arkansas, custody decisions revolve around the best interest of the child, not the preferences of the parents. So here's what matters: consistency and stability. The courts wants to see who can provide a stable environment, routine, school, medical care, emotional support. Don't throw mud. Speaking badly about your spouse to your kids can hurt your custody case. Court want co-parents who foster healthy relationships with the other parent. Be involved. Attend school functions, doctor's appointments, extracurricular activities. In court in Arkansas, consider historically active parents to be the best parents. So if you're aiming for joint custody, prove you're responsible, present, and that you're an emotionally available father. And number 5, get legal and emotional support. Don't go it alone. Men often try to tough it out, but divorce is not the time for isolation or pride. Hire a good family law attorney, ideally one experiencing and representing men. This isn't just about filing paperwork, it's about strategy, protection, and peace of mind. Go to therapy. Divorces can stir up guilt, anger, and depression. mental health professionals can help you stay level-headed, which benefits you in negotiation, parenting, and court appearances. Support from friends and support groups such as churches. Get that support and don't underestimate the value of surrounding yourself with good people. Be proactive. It's not a weakness, it's wisdom. Gentlemen, divorce is not just a legal process, it's a crossroads. How you handle it will shape your finances, your fatherhood, and your future. These 5 rules I've just shared with you today are the law. Don't be reckless. Prioritize your kids. Get real support, not just legal tactics. These are life strategies. You don't have to like the situation you're in, but you do have to own it. The goal isn't just to survive divorce. The goal is to rebuild, refocus, and rise stronger on the other side. Here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group, we can tailor a strategy for you and your unique situation. Call us today to get started, to set you on a path to success.